The way this pen tablet has performed has really left me surprised for its ultra affordable price. So let's quickly talk about it.
Hey everyone, Mukul here. So this new brand RTSY is slowly establishing itself in India, and as you can already see, their Amazon reviews are pretty freaking strong already. I mean, for the price of mere 3000 rupees and for this size, I honestly didn't have much expectations, but well, the surprise did come in later. In the package, you first see the tablet and you would immediately notice that there is a pen holder affixed to the right hand side of the tablet. The pen has this nice matte-ish material over it, and inside the pen you can see a few extra nibs already affixed in it. This is actually a great convenience, as I have forgotten in the past where I had kept my extra nibs, I mean the pen's extra nibs. The tablet has 5 customizable buttons, which I will talk about more later. And this tablet comes in blue color, which looks quite nice and can sometimes look a bit more unique if you are used to seeing all black pen tablets. After that, you see a manual with installation instructions and other stuff, and a micro USB cable to power on the tablet to either a laptop, a PC, or even an Android phone. You then see an adapter to connect the tablet to your Android phone via the micro USB and a nib puller alongside with it. The tablet also comes with 1 year of warranty. Well, the tablet's active area is 8.4 by 5.6 inches, which should be ample for many. And I say that with confidence, as I'm someone who has been using pen tablets for over 12 years now. And damn, am I old or what? The overall build of the tablet is quite good, and it has 4 rubber feet at the bottom. Talking a bit more of the pen, it is battery free, which is again a bit of a surprise and shows how far technology has come that even these super affordable pen tablets now come with them. The pen pressure level is about 8192, which is the standard of many way more expensive pen tablets. The drivers can easily be found on its website and are easy to install, but in case you see this error, then just restart your Windows in safe mode and install it from there without any hassle. And after the installation of the driver software, you can run it by double clicking its icon on the right side of the taskbar. In the driver software, you can customize these 5 buttons as per your convenience and flexibility, and you can actually adjust the many other pen pressure settings in the pen option. To be honest, having these many options to adjust the pen pressure feel and other stuff is really quite impressive. You can also flip the tablet's work area to complete 180 degrees if you are left-handed, so that you would not face any problem when you turn the tablet so that the buttons are on the right instead of being at the left hand side. Well, now let's talk about the real world performance of the tablet. Well, I was really surprised how well it behaved in most of the applications I use in my day-to-day usage. In Photoshop, for example, the pen was able to take a decent amount of low pressure strokes and had no problems with any sort of pressure sensitivity too. And for instance, in ZBrush 2, the pen performed without any issues and the pen pressure sensitivity worked great. If you are an educator looking to buy a pen tablet, then you would have no troubles with this specific pen tablet too. I mean, this is a pen tablet which most of the artists would love to use, especially for the price. So if you are an educator and you want to do math sums over the screen and teach your students online, I don't think you would face any sort of problems. You then see an adapter to connect the tablet to your Android phone via a USB-C connection. I cannot appreciate it enough how easily my Android phone recognized the tablet. The left half of the tablet will work with the phone's aspect ratio, and it worked beautifully. Even the pressure sensitivity was supported off the bat, so yeah, have fun playing with it. I mean, sketching and painting with it.
So yeah, in the end, I am left wondering how far pen tablet technologies have come and how affordable they have actually become. I mean, for the size, for the price, and for the features it has, I really can't nitpick much of the stuff from this specific pen tablet from RTSY. Now, because it's a fairly new brand, I made sure to talk to them, and they have assured me that they will always support their customers no matter what, and they will even assist if you find any issues with installing the drivers on your Mac or your PC. So yeah, this kind of sounds quite reassuring. I'm going to post their Amazon links in the description below. You can definitely buy from there if you like my efforts on the video. It will cost you the same, but it will give me some commission so that I can buy more Amul butter and bread. You can also hop on to our Discord server for more chit chats on relevant topics. Stay safe, humans. That's all for today. Mubot out. Yes.